With just an empty inner pot, I start the Instant Pot on Sautee and let it heat, and then I add my tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Now drop in your rice and stir into the oil so it's evenly coated. You're going to let it sit here on Sautee and brown. Garlic in after the rice is browned a bit. The garlic will burn and cook much faster than the rice will, so you want to give the rice some time to brown beforehand. Now you want to add in your cup of water. With so much steam, I decided to add in 2 extra tablespoons. Here is where I add in all the seasonings. If you don't have dried cilantro, you could add in fresh, but I would add it in after the rice is cooked. After all the spices are added, I add in the canned tomato sauce. Make sure you stir it around real well. The final addition is grinding some salt over top. This is kind of to your preference. Once all the ingredients are mixed together, place the lid on. Ensure that you're on seal, not vent. Now you're going to hit your rice button, and this will automatically set the proper time based on the weight of the rice. My timer went off, so now I'm going to release the pressure by moving to vent. Bam! There you have it. Spanish rice. This is a recipe that can easily be doubled or made ahead of time. I like to make it well ahead of dinner and keep it on warm while I make the rest of our dinner. Thank you so much for checking out my video. I hope you love this rice. If you like this video, be sure to check out my others, like, and subscribe.